Hi there, and welcome to our eBay Dropshipping Business Starter course. Do you want to work from anywhere in the world? Do you want to make a full-time income and only work part-time? Do you want to work whenever you want? Do you want to be your own boss? No more working as an employee. Have you ever considered an e-commerce and eBay dropshipping business? Are you open to learning how to master dropshipping quickly and easily? If your answer to these questions is yes, then this course is for you. A little bit about us. Aviv Malka is a top-rated and platinum-level eBay power seller and business coach. Just to show you how this works, Aviv has sold nearly $400,000 worth of products on eBay, and that's only one of the businesses that he runs. David Levine is an eBay entrepreneur, trainer, and coach, and also happens to be a native English speaker in the team, so you'll be hearing more of his voice during the course. Together, we've created for you the eBay Dropshipping Business Starter course. So what are you going to be able to do by the end of the course? You'll understand the core concepts of the dropshipping business model. You'll be able to open and set up an eBay seller's account. You'll be able to open and set up a PayPal account. You will set up your eBay business policies. You will source hot products from Amazon for reselling on eBay. You will list Amazon products in your eBay account. And you'll use dropshipping software to take your business to another level. Bye for now, and join us in the next lecture.